Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Flavor. Today we will be making fried chicken. And now we're going to clean our chicken with some lime juice, salt and vinegar. And now we're going to add a little bit of water and we're going to put it aside. And now to a pot with hot water, we're going to add 1/4 of an onion cut in half, 3 cloves of garlic and 4 bay leaves. And now we're going to add our chicken and we're going to boil it for 15 minutes. And now that the chicken is boiled, we're going to put it in a bowl and we're going to let it cool down for a little bit. And to season our chicken, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of paprika, salt and pepper, now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of mild chili, and 2 tablespoons of dry mustard. And now we're going to mix it, and I recommend you wear gloves for this part. And now we're going to cover it and then we will put it aside so I can marinate. And now we're going to grab 3 bowls and we're going to add 1 egg to one of them. And then we're going to mix it and then we will add table cream. And off camera, I added all-purpose flour into the red bowl and breadcrumbs into the white bowl. And as you can see, we're going to dip our chicken into the egg and table cream mixture first, and then into the flour, and then into the egg and table cream mixture, and then into the breadcrumbs. And now our chicken is ready to be fried, and we're going to fry it for 10 to 15 minutes on each side. And this is the final result. I hope you guys like this video. Share it with your friends and family if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more delicious recipes, and see you in the next video.